morning, beautiful people. It is 4 o'clock in the morning. The city is still asleep, but we are awake, and our journey begins from Muti town. Now it's 4:40 a.m. in the morning. We are making journey to Pachiting from Sangikang. There's barely any light, and we are using our torch to guide through the darkness. As we walk deeper into the forest, see what we came across: the big mushrooms. Beautiful sunrise, and it's beginning to light our way. After walking for a while, we are taking a short break at first canopy, and we are breaking our fast. We haven't had any breakfast in the morning. We'll have some snacks and continue walking. Today we are able to witness sun and moon at the same time. Tiredness is slowly setting in, but we are excited. Weather is a little bit foggy, but I hope it will become clear later. Okay, after 2 hours walking, we are here to Pachiting Monastery. Ta-da! This is the majestic view from Pachiting. This cloud looks like a thick blanket covering the whole Thimphu city. Some of them are saying they can see Mary Pinsum or Gankar Pinsum from here, but honestly, I can see only the mountains. I don't know which mountain is that because I've never been there. And you know, guys, for a moment, our tiredness are all gone because we are really immersed in the view. But our journey doesn't stop here. We're walking towards Tujita now. Some of us are tired and want to take rest, but we have a long way to go, man. Oh, thank God. We are finally at one of the lapchas. Here we get to witness something very different and meaningful, a sky barrier. It's a quite a reminder that every one of us have to die one day. For me, this is making me to pause and give a little bit of deeper thought. Then again have to walk. These are the beauty of nature. See the flowers, the mountains. Everything is so beautiful and peaceful. Wow. Exhausting. Okay. That's next time. Ooh. Okay, now Shachuk debate is going on because most of us are Shachuk here. We are having a never-ending journey. I don't know how many mountains we have crossed now. Oh my God. Cheese of Chinchiru. Oh my God. Namhini no. Kila kume? Masih işte masla. Pala desiyacaksın. I'm so lucky that I came along with them because you know, they keep joking and there's no time to feel tired. See how she's greeting a joke. Bagi ko tayo.
Mangyola bear gyola.
Yeah, finally we are at the highest peak. It is 4,220 meters above sea level. Whoa. Oxygen is getting thinner and thinner. Yeah, after reaching this highest peak, then it's descending. Mataibe. Ooh. Oh no, chapti me chapom, please. Chapti ma chap me. Oh. By this point, everyone is at different level of exhaustion. Ooh. Some are already completely exhausted, but some are still energetic. Oh, this is where the lake is. Oh my god. Wow, it's so tiring. Oh my god. Here's also one lake. Our main lake. Our main destination is here. Oh, we cannot see. Okay, finally at our destination. All exhausted, but still happy to reach here. Okay, I'll go near and show you the clear view to Bala. Wow, such time, guys. As you guys can see, the right side is very clear, and to the left side is it's very dark. This is where the lake is. Okay, now we're heading back. We've enjoyed the view, we've had our lunch. Okay, now we're going back. Look at them. Every one of us are really exhausted. I cannot imagine walking down. I want to cry. Now going back down from what you think? Oh my god, it's already dark now. Oh my god, we started our hike in the darkness and ended in the darkness. Okay, can we see? Tired feet, aching bodies, but hearts full of memories. And I'm gonna end here. Thank you for watching.